Hey everyone, Michelle Markey with Medina Domestic Arts on this Christmas Eve. Merry Christmas to all. I hope you guys are going to enjoy yourselves tonight as well as tomorrow and hopefully for the rest of the week. I have actually been quite productive today. I finished this mandala that is a DTF on denim. And I had stated earlier in some of the other DTF videos that I was going to be using a new sealant that had a matte finish. Again, Maker's Mark, or rather, excuse me, Maker's Mark is a whiskey. This is Maker's Magic by Scorch Marker. This is a matte finish, which is what I'm laying down right now. So let me, again, I'm going to keep repeating myself in these videos. I'm just going to give you a quick demo too while I'm talking. This goes on clear. Now, the only reason you would really want this on denim other than, say, fabric medium is if you are using stuff like, oh, let me see if I've got it on the table. Yes, I do. This is called Color Arts Bling It. By the way, they're having a big sale. She is trying to reduce her inventory, 25% off. Let me get back there so you can see her website. If you're interested in all sorts of powdery bling, she's got a ton of it, go check her out. In the meantime, when you use something like that, which I have here, there's no guarantee it will stay once it's washed, even with fabric medium. In fact, I actually mixed it with fabric medium. I'll show you what that looks like. It's here in this bottle. I had tried it once before on another item, washed it, and it all but came out. So this is now my second test with the Maker's Magic. The first was using it with the gloss finish. This is now the satin or matte finish. And again, I'm going to just show you how this goes on. Yeah, I drip it all over the place. It really, once you get kind of a nice thin layer on it, just like what I'm doing now, that's all you have to do. You do need to let it dry overnight. So I won't be showing you this until later on. I won't disturb you on your Christmas day. I don't want to be disturbed on Christmas Day, to be frank with you. So no videos on Christmas Day. Unless you got something really, really cool for Christmas, like a brand new sewing machine or embroidery machine or a long arm. Anyway, this is just how it goes on. And hopefully when it dries, it will dry clear just like the gloss, which gets me back to why I'm using it. Some of you have mentioned Mod Podge. The only thing I have found with Mod Podge is it does tend to leave streaks. So this goes on very clear. It dries clear, and I just feel like overall it's a great way to finish your item, protects it, waterproofs it actually, and also allows you to use tools or really, frankly, let's call a spade glitter, because that's really what all this stuff is fancy glitter, and it allows it to seal it and not come out in the wash. So there you go. That's it. Nothing else more to report other than I hope that, again, you all have a very Merry Christmas. Stay tuned for more after the first of the year. I've been working diligently to come up with a bunch of brand new patterns. I'm trying to get them out onto the website as soon as possible, as well as some new coloring instructions. Once that's done, I will send out an email and also do a quick YouTube. If you have any questions or comments, as always, leave them below. And Merry Christmas. Thanks so much for watching.